YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you my new YouTube channel for making all adventure videos with my GoPro. I'll be showing you the new YouTube channel in the next clip. Action Cam Adventure. My new YouTube channel is called Action Cam Adventure. Go subscribe to that YouTube channel. I'll be making GoPro videos, adventure videos, everything vacation. When I go vacation to Colorado, it's gonna be all filmed on a GoPro. And yeah, go subscribe to that channel and get me to maybe around 50 subs, or maybe the same amount as this channel. So yeah, go subscribe down below. Be adventurous. Go subscribe to Action Cam Adventure.